Yes guys, welcome back to the Thornton 100 Motorcycles YouTube channel. Today we're at Richard Rawlings Gas Monkey Garage and we're going to be hanging out and building a really cool Triumph bobber that we've spec'd up, built, designed and engineered in the UK. We've sent all the parts over here. We're going to be assembling this thing, enjoying ourselves, drinking some beers and building a really cool motorcycle that hopefully Richard is going to really enjoy the rest of this summer.
Woo! Here we go, Thornton 100 Triumph. Boom. Y'all packed the hell out of this. Boom. Those are like the aluminum color, aluminum. Yeah, whatever you say.
Don't see any silver on this.
Sick, bro.
And that's the twisted pipes that we do. I wanted them just to twist up so that will wrap around all of these engine cages here as well, but they just looks...
What? Look at these handlebars. These blinks on the end. Are these blinkers?
That's it, yeah. Way you break this.
You are serious about making everything.
Proper.
Freaking right.
Right, so the kit's all out. Richard, what do you think?
This is unbelievable. I mean, you guys nailed it. It's very hard to work, overseas and get my vision out of my head and into your shop. And you guys packed it all up. It's here. This is wicked. I'm ready to roll.
Everything's ready to go, so we're going to start ripping that bike apart, and then we're going to start loading that bike up with all this custom Thornton 100 Gas Monkey kit, and then hopefully get ready by the end of the day, ready to do some burnouts.
I love burnouts. Let's do it.
fun.
Yeah, man, this is a dream.
Good on.
This is a dream. What's going on?
I don't know. What is going on? Look at that gold tooth.
Gold chain.
Love it.
Yeah, so we're like doing the back. We're gonna work our way all the way forward. Get that wide front end in. So we're halfway there, nearly halfway there anyway.
I know. Look at all the tools we got out.
I see one big tool.
Well, I just turned to keep my mouth shut.
Dude, that thing is so rad. It's really looking good. I dig it.
Look at that coming together. It's good because you guys can see it, and I'm just like, I'm focusing on what I'm doing. It's just when you step back and you look at it, it's finished for the first time.
Okay.
Wow.
You pay your welder well, because he does a great job.
Okay guys, so Richard's gone for our twisted exhaust. You can get hold of one of these from our web shop and have this on your bobber as well. So click the link down below for the web shop and get yourself that. Okay guys, so we're halfway through the build here. As you can see, we've got the whole back end on, we've got the seat, all the throttle body changed out, we've got the engine bars on, which was all pre-prepared, all pre-wired, brand new pre-wired bars, we did this all at home. So what we're gonna do now is swap it around, get the front end in, and then we're gonna put the tank on now. When I was on the phone to Richard, he showed me this pillow and said, I want my paint to look like the background of this pillow. So I think we've delivered with this really cool fuel tank. So I know Richard loves it, so I can't wait to get this all onto the bike and get this build finished for him. Shout out to my mum for pressing these out. She puts them in our little 3D printed jig and stands there and presses them all out, yeah. Alright, you ready guys?
Yep.
Freaking rad!
There you go.
That was a little faster than I thought, dude. What was that? 2 hours?
There you go.
Wow.
Crazy transformation, right?
I know what it was. It was Phipps did all the work, right?
Yeah, that's it. Wow.
Really,
Freaking
when I gotta clean it all up.
wicked
Yeah,
cool.
I really like the exhaust way y'all did that. I mean, that's so cool.
It's gonna look even better once it's turns color.
That's it. Out go golden.
Yeah. The
Ah.
blues and
Did you
Freaking
pick
cool.
the perfect color scheme?
Well, you know, I kind of like green and black. I'm known for that. Yeah, that looks wicked, man.
Thanks,
Freaking
man.
super cool.
Okay, so Richard, you've got one of our full V4 wide wheel kit bikes as well. So we would call this a Baja build in America. So 50mm wide triple clamps. We got the Thornton 100 3D printed headlight grille there. We've got the wavy disc, custom wide front wheel with a billet hubs. We got the twisted pipes there with the pier auxiliary lights. Obviously, the custom paint from Image Design Custom in the UK, blacked out throttle bodies, the Thornton 100 engine plaques down here, and then moving back, we got the seat with all the new seat mount, all the paint up underneath as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Gold chain. We
Gold
got
chain.
Thornton 100 chain guard there at the back there. We got the gold nipples on the rims, and then the billet hubs at the rear, and then the billet plate holder at the back there. So that's just skimming through, but there's so many little details that you'll start picking out on this build
Wicked cool,
as you
man.
spend more time with it. So proper cool bit of kit.
And you built it in like 2.5 hours.
Well, we did all the work in the background, so I pre-wired everything. Everything is obviously all painted, everything's all done, so it's just a case of taking everything off and then putting on everything that we've engineered in the UK for it. So
Right on. Very freaking cool, man. Well, you earned yourself another beer.
let's do it.
Well, dude, your company is tearing it up. Freaking A.
Coming out of nowhere, right?
Thornton 100, go for it, brother. Let's get it off the rack, go for a ride.
Up there, yeah? All right. Yeah. There we go. That's it, man. There we go.
Kick ass. Well, it's good and broke in now.
Yeah, man.
That's the way to do it. Now, there's some good video of you shredding the tire and it got all up your back.
Went up my back, I popped one, all the cord come out, and it whipped me up my, oh mate, I was bleeding, it was wild, man. Fucking awesome. Right guys, so we're all done and dusted. Richard absolutely loves the bike and I'm so happy with what we've come up here as well. All engineered in the UK, pre-built there, brought over here and assembled, and we managed to get this bike together in record time, which I'm really happy with the girl. So thank you so much to the Gas Monkey boys for having us. Thank you so much to Richard for having us as well. So thank you very much to Phipps, who's waving in the background. And yeah, we're gonna go drink some beers now, enjoy, eat some Texas food, and make sure you click that subscribe button, guys, and we'll see you next time.